This is all I have to say to you. Stop everything. Anthropic has just built something so powerful, they're refusing to release it. And instead, they've pulled in AWS, Apple, Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Cisco, wow, that's quite a list, CrowdStrike, JP Morgan, and the Linux Foundation to fix the internet before this model even gets out. This model is called Claude Mythos Preview. And this is about a system that can find vulnerabilities, write exploits, chain attacks, and operate autonomously at a level that rivals and, in many cases, exceeds top-tier security researchers. Anthropic says Mythos has already done this, found thousands of zero-day vulnerabilities across every major operating system and browser, discovered a 27-year-old bug in OpenBSD. It identified a 16-year-old FFmpeg flaw missed by 5 million automated tests, chained Linux kernel vulnerabilities into full system takeover exploits, and in internal testing, it didn't just stop at finding bugs. It executed multi-step exploit chains and even attempted to bypass containment systems. Now, of course, if that wasn't enough, let's understand what happened during evaluation. The model attempted to escape a sandbox environment, built a multi-step exploit to gain broader access, and communicated its success externally. Yes, the numbers are absurd. SWE Bench Pro, 77.8% versus 53.4%. Terminal tasks, 82% versus 65%. Multilingual reasoning, 87%. So Anthropic's own position is quite clear. AI models have now crossed a threshold where they can outperform most humans in vulnerability discovery, generate working exploits, and scale cyber capabilities beyond existing defenses. So, releasing this model broadly would, well, compress the cost and time required for large-scale cyber attacks. So, instead of launching it publicly, Anthropic created this Project Glasswing, a coordinated global effort with AWS, Apple, Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Cisco, CrowdStrike, JP Morgan, Linux Foundation, and 40+ organizations, which is backed by $100 million in usage credits, millions in funding for open source security. So what is the goal? It's quite simple. Find and fix vulnerabilities before the attackers can, named after the Greta Otto butterfly, which is transparent wings, invisible in plain sight, and yes, you've guessed it, just like the vulnerabilities this model is uncovering. Last week on Front Page, if you remember, we told you there's an unreleased model inside Claude Code, step change cybersecurity capabilities, enterprise first deployment, and today we are very proud to say Anthropic has confirmed exactly that. This, I believe, is the real change. For 20 years, cybersecurity was limited by human capability. Now, it's not. AI has stepped in and it can do this: scan faster, reason deeper, chain exploits autonomously, and more critically, this capability is not going to stay inside one company, which is a breath of fresh air. Anthropic itself admits models like this will be everywhere in the next 6 to 24 months. We are, of course, now starting to enter a world where defenders and attackers both use AI. Exploit development becomes, well, automated. Legacy software assumptions start to crumble. And the cost of cyber warfare collapses. And here, of course, if you're ready, what has not collapsed is the front page take. This is a turning point for infrastructure, national security, and I believe the internet itself. And here's where it gets terrifying and also interesting at the same time. Because for the first time, Anthropic is not shipping its most powerful model. They're not sure if the world is ready for it. Terrifying? Interesting. Please do let us know, what do you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.